Hi, my name is Todd Harbrecht. I'm the owner of Lifehouse Homes. And today I'm going to be showing you my paired villa home. This model is called the Belmont. We're going to walk through the front door here. This is a 1,495 square foot, 2-bedroom villa home. Coming in through the front door here, see the kitchen and the main area. Right off to the right, there's a powder room. And then off to the left is the second bedroom. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. The other one is the master. Full-size closet there. Okay. And we're going to turn, and you're going to be walking right into the kitchen. That's a pantry right there. It leads right into the laundry room. Those are optional laundry room cabinets there. Roughed in for a laundry tub. Right out here is the garage. Attached 2.5 car garage. Okay. Now this homeowner chose a couple options. This has the 3-panel Craftsman package. Different trim, has the 5-inch base, and the 3-panel doors, which does come with upgraded lighting as well. She also chose to do the laundry room cabinets above the washer and dryer. Tile in here is standard throughout. This is the open concept. Stand at the kitchen sink here. You look right into the family room. That's your dining. All homes come with a standard 12 by 12 concrete patio. We're in the middle of winter right now, so this hasn't been completed yet. I'm going to get a view from the other way here. Comes with full landscaping package included. Okay. And then we're going to go in the master bedroom here. Big master bedroom. It's like 14 by 16, 2 windows, ceiling fan, 2 ceiling fans are included. Which will go into the master bath. You have a 5-foot vanity, standard walk-in shower, although she ended up taking a tub, which we can do at no cost. And then you have a full walk-in closet here as well. So the options in this house are the white cabinets and vanities, the Craftsman package, and she did take the appliance package and laundry room cabinets. That's about it. Like I said, this is the Belmont paired villa home, 1,494 square feet. You can find all this information along with pricing at lifehousehomes.com. You'll be able to view this. This video will be posted there as well as on YouTube. And you'll be able to find pricing. You can click for more information. Once again, my name is Todd with Lifehouse Homes. Thank you for watching.